Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Techniques for time management is the topic I am discussing now. Time management is the art of arranging, organizing, scheduling and budgeting your time for the purpose of generating more effective work and productivity. If you follow time management, effective work and productivity will be there in the company or organization. Blocks of study time and breaks. For students, how the time management should be. Students have to study in blocks, 2 hours a block, 2 hours a block, you keep and study. At a stretch, 9 hours studying is not good for the students. Take blocks, study blocks and some leisure, some break you need to take. As per blocks, study with intervals. Weekly reviews do. Prioritize your assignments. Postpone unnecessary activities until the work is done. Use your free time wisely. Review notes and readings just before class. Lecture notes just after class. Review. Time management at workplace. Understand roles. Do the important and urgent first. Don't waste time. Prioritize to-do list. 5 time zone concept. Developing zone 1. Vision and goals. Developing zone 2. Plans. Developing zone 3. Personal organization systems. Developing zone 4. Commitment. Developing zone 5. Energy. Elements of effective time management. Activity time log, goal setting, defining priorities, scheduling activities. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.